Auckland Metropolitan Model Railway Club's layout is quite different from your average home layout, drawing on various talents of the membership. In planning their present railway, they incorporated lessons learned from previously built layouts. They wanted large radius curves, one large yard, industries at every way station, giving freight trains an excuse to do some switching, and electrical systems allowing each engineer to work his train anywhere on the line. They have directed their resources to modelling American railroads in HO scale and adopted the name Pacific Western Railway, allowing them to use available decals on unique paint schemes, providing a cohesive entity. The railway's been under construction since 1979 and they always find things to do like sceneries and structures to finish certain districts. One of their objectives is to operate it like a real railroad, timetable trains and routing freight cars from one destination to another, with all the challenges such systems involve.